link which you have to understand much, or you might understand a lot. Only thing that matters to us for searching our case is the blue color bar which appears on the top, which says Ecourts services and has a lot of options. It says home, e-committee, NJDG, Supreme Court, High Courts, and District Courts. So forget about everything except District Courts. Click on District Courts and another tab will open. So a map of India shows. So it will basically show as to in which which state's district court you have filed your case in. So in the example I'm taking, the case has been filed in a district court in Karnataka. So I shall be choosing the state Karnataka. And this is the various districts of Karnataka. So you have to choose in which district of Karnataka your case has been going on. So the case example I have chosen is been filed in Bengaluru district. So I shall be choosing Bengaluru. Okay, and another big screen appears, which has a lot of new things about the Indian judiciary and Karnataka judiciary and stuff. So forget about everything except this small box, which has 3 things in it, which is case status, court order, cause list. Okay, so the only thing that matters to us now is the case status. So click on case status, and there are different things that appear. So if these are the different methods via which you can check your case status. So in this video, I shall be basically only covering case number as to how to check your case status via case number. Okay, so click on case number and another tab opens. This will be the basic tab, court complex. I shall be checking my case number, my case status via the court establishment method. So click on court establishment. Court establishment basically means in which kind of court your case has been filed, and in court complex it basically explains in what type of court hall it has been filed in. So I shall be looking for my case status via the court establishment. So there are different establishments which have been given, and you have to choose in which establishment your case has been filed. So in the example case I have chosen, it has been filed in the Principal City Civil and Sessions Judge establishment. So I shall be clicking on that. And then next, the case type. What type of case have you filed? Whether it's an arbitration petition or a company application or a company petition or a crime case or an education appellate tribunal case. So basically the example case that I have taken is an original suit which has been filed in the district court. So it OS, this OS letter will appear before the case number. So click on find out what are the 2 letters that appear before your case number, and that will be the case type of case type that you have been looking for. So I shall click on original suit, and the case number you have to type, that is for okay, so in the example case I have chosen, it's 4496. So that is the case number, and then the year you have to type, which is 2018. And then you have to enter your captcha, which is NW H4M2. Okay, so then click go, and then your case will appear here. Okay, so click on view. Okay, so 1 second. So yeah, so click on view, and then the screen will appear. So it first thing it says is what case type you have been filed, the filing number, the date you have filed in, the registration number your case has been given, the registration date, And then when your case was first heard, when is the next date of hearing, the fact which you have been looking for, the case stage that is there for the next date of hearing, and the court hall in which it's being held, and the judge. Sometimes it mentions the judge, and sometimes there is no mention of judge. So then it mentions who's the petitioner and their advocate, and then the respondents and their advocate, and under which act and which sections the case has been going on. And then this basically case history basically discusses as to what happened in that particular date on uh, and what stage and what is the next date of hearing which was given. So if you want to know in detail as to what happened in that particular date, click on this date, and then you will be able to see the screen. So it basically says what happened on that particular date, and what purpose was given for the next date of hearing, and what is the next date of hearing will be clearly laid down in the case history. So if you again want to check for another date, again go back and then click on another date, and again it will appear. So then it will tell what happened on a particular date, and then what is the next date of hearing, and then what is the next purpose. So basically pretty much that's all. It's a very simple process. I shall again, if you want, I shall again give a review. So when you go to case status, you click on case number, and then you click on court establishment. In court establishment, you should click on the type of establishment which your case has been going on in, and then in case type you have to click. Okay, after clicking on uh, court, court establishment, you have to click on what type of case your case is. So these are the first two letters which will appear before your case number. So you click on type of case, and then you type your case number, and then you type your year, and you enter the captcha. After entering the captcha, your case will appear on the bottom of the screen. So that will be the case that you have been looking for. Basically, that's it. It's a very simple process. Thank you so much for watching.